First up, Instagram scheduling and also creating that feed. I personally use UNUM. So here it is, UNUM. A really handy app to have. It actually allows you to upload all the pictures that you want to be using on your feed. So then you can create the perfect look. It also allows you to schedule ahead. And if you wanted to, by paying a subscription, it can actually post for you, which means it's great. So if you're away for the week or having a holiday, it means that actually you can schedule it ahead and it will post for you. I personally like to post myself because I'm all for beating the algorithm, and you would have watched the post previous and knowing how I beat the algorithm. So this one, I like. And there's also another app called Plannerly, but what I like about UNUM is the fact that you can keep scrolling down and you can keep going and seeing every single post that you have on your feed. Now, when we get to the top, you can see here that it stops having a little Instagram icon on the bottom right-hand corner. So my last post on New Life Socials just here, and as you can see, I'm starting to figure out what the next couple of weeks are looking like for my feed. Great thing about this is if it doesn't feel right, you can swap or change. Or maybe I know that over the weekend I'm going to be at the beach, so I want to be posting my beach picture there. So this allows you to create around what you're doing, or maybe you know that next week is going to be Friendship Day. So then you can actually start thinking about certain hashtags that are actually going to be trending on Instagram, and ahead of that you can be posting ahead. Also, it allows you to figure out, okay, so I don't have any product images and I know that I've actually got collaboration coming up, and say I work personally with Olympus pen and I use Olympus. And yes, I do take pictures from my Olympus for my feed as well as my iPhone. But as you can see here, you can then create the feed that's perfect. Really simple to upload. You would add, and that would take you to your personal feed that's already on your saved photos. Then you select which one you want to use next. And then of course you can schedule it around. So that's my first top tip, is by using an app like UNUM, you can then plan ahead, which allows you then to enjoy posting to your feed and not having to delete after posting because it doesn't sit right. This way it's all scheduled and you know exactly what you're doing.